In this video, I'll guide you through how to retarget website visitors with Facebook ads. Retargeting is one of the most effective advertising strategies because it allows you to reach people who have already visited your website. These visitors are already familiar with your business, so showing them another ad can help encourage them to return, complete a purchase, submit a form, or take another action. Before you begin, make sure your Metapixel has already been installed and connected to your website, since that's what Facebook uses to track website activity and build retargeting audiences. Once your Metapixel is set up, sign into Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, click on the Audiences section. This is where you'll manage all of your saved, custom, and lookalike audiences. When the Audiences page opens, click Create Audience, then choose Custom Audience. Facebook offers several different data sources that you can use for audience creation, but since we're retargeting people who have visited a website, select Website as the source and continue to the next step. Facebook will automatically use your connected Metapixel to collect visitor data. In the Events section, you'll be able to choose exactly which website visitors you want to include. You can target all website visitors, people who spent the most time on your site, or visitors who viewed a specific page. If you're creating a cart abandonment campaign, for example, selecting visitors who reached a particular page can be a useful option. For this tutorial, we'll keep the setting on all website visitors. Next, choose the audience retention period. This determines how long someone remains in your retargeting audience after visiting your website. Facebook allows a maximum retention period of 180 days, so you can leave it at that value if you'd like to continue advertising to visitors for the longest available period. You'll also have the option to include or exclude certain visitors. For example, if someone has already completed a purchase and reached your confirmation page, you may want to exclude those users so your ads focus only on potential customers who haven't converted yet. If you don't need any exclusions, simply leave this section unchanged. Now give your audience a clear and descriptive name, such as Website Visitors, 180 days. You can also add a description if you'd like, making it easier to identify the audience later. Once everything looks correct, click Create Audience. After a few moments, the new custom audience will appear in your audience list. The next time you create a Facebook advertising campaign, you'll be able to select this custom audience at the ad set level, allowing your ads to be shown specifically to people who have already visited your website. And that's all there is to retargeting website visitors with Facebook ads. By creating a custom audience from your Metapixel data, you can reconnect with previous visitors and increase the chances of turning them into customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.